Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett and we're standing in front of a brand new refreshed boat. So this particular 36 Offshore is set up with triple Mercury 300 Verado V8s. It's going to push this boat 68 miles an hour. Giddy up and go. It's got 475 gallons of fuel, so you can go for days, offshore and back in a snap. First and foremost, what you see, there's no more transom door back here. Totally redesigned transom area with easier access to the live well. Then we have access to the bilge down below. So now it's forward opening, so it's easier to access all the pumps and gear down there. This rear facing seat also has a live well underneath, and just behind me, more tackle storage. Yellowfin Boats have been building boats since 1998 in Sarasota, Florida. This is a premier offshore fishing boat. She is one sweet ride. So the helm has been totally redesigned, totally new extrusions on here, and you have a Garmin array up here. We have three-sided glass, very safe. Your captain's gonna love it because all your switching is up here and those Mercury controls. And check out the upholstery, and that Yellowfin logo absolutely pops. Another part of the refresh is amidships. They removed the scuba tank holders, making it super safe right up amidship, self-draining back here. And then how about this European style lounger up here? You can relax, catch some sun if you want. But included in that is cold storage below. It's insulated, so you have plenty of cold storage. You can put a chiller plate in here if you want. So this boat is 36 feet, 8 inches long, and it's got 10 feet of beam. Even up here in the bow, you can see the beaminess take over. You can fish this bow super hard. Man, this is set up to catch those big fish. The 36 Offshore Yellowfin, an iconic brand, an iconic boat, and it's totally refreshed. What you should do is go see your local dealer, step aboard, and take this bad boy for a sea trial.